Welcome to Windows Guide. If you wish to use YouTube without ads for free, then please watch this video. It's easy. Open Google Chrome. Open YouTube on Google Chrome. Open your favorite video. Now, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Extensions greater than Manage Extensions. Click on Chrome Web Store. It will need a while to load. Please wait till then. Search for the words Add Skip in the search bar and hit Enter. Click on the extension to open it. Click on Add to Chrome. Select Add Extension. That's it. Return to your YouTube video and refresh the page. Check that the video has no ads. You can try for a few more videos. I hope this is helpful. Please let us know in the comments section. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel.